Hey, so BBIG has been making some pretty good moves, and we're actually going to be analyzing the chart right now so we can see pretty much exactly where it could be heading. We're also going to be looking at what's going on exactly with the company and what is causing this move to basically be going on right now. But I'm going to give you an update on two different other stock, Ater, and AMC. These two looks to me like they're trying to reverse soon, but we're just gonna talk about it real quick. But really, because the main thing of this video is BBIG. So without no further ado, let's just get right into it, because I know that's where you came to this video, and we're going to do just that. So for quite a while I've been saying this, and BBIG seems to be reversing. Right now, as you can see here on my screen, see these two candles, one from yesterday and one from today. We have printed two very bullish, pretty much bullish green candles. And even this one today is a very bullish candle right now. And I'm going to explain, first of all, why this is happening. It kind of has to, I understand display, first of all, has to do with, there is all the short interest behind it, because BBIG is still one of the very highest short in the stock market, or shorted stock right now, and all the hype around it, or should I say all the momentum that be coming in, because of that. But one of the things, this pretty much has to do with kind of the fundamental part of it. It's not exactly completely technical, even though we're seeing the technical is showing kind of, where it's headed. But it has to do with a news that's pushing this mostly forward. And this is what is going on. Boom. Actually, I'm going to put this one first. As we can see right here, Venco Ventures, which is BBIG, actually that's the company name, there is basically they executed an agreement to complete a plan of a merger with ZASH. ZASH is another global, it's pretty much a global media entertainment company, and Venco Venture, they usually acquire. That's actually one of the reasons why that BBIG, which is kind of called Bbig. If I scroll all the way down here, they pretty much explain what that is. It's basically the B stand for buy, and then the I stand for innovate, and then the G stand for grow. So they always, the buy, it means acquisition is basically their motto. They always seek to acquire significant brands to continue to add to their portfolio, which is pretty much what they're actually doing right now. They're trying to add ZASH, which is, a global media company, and they're trying to go through a merger. And now I understand that's the news part of it. But the biggest thing that we need to all watch out is this part. There is an upcoming stockholder meeting, and this is probably going to be, they're going to be voting on what exactly, because stockholders basically pretty much decide, or, the company propose something and the stockholder will vote for it to see if that's the way they want to go with this. So this meeting is going to be very important meeting, and it's happening on Friday, October 14th. Literally 2 days from now, or by the time you're going to watch this video, it's probably going to be a day from now, but just watch out for this day. So this is one thing I want to say. The reason I'm saying that is they've already completed the S1 filing. As you can see right here, I actually opened it. They did it on October 6th. So everything is already been put in motion. Now, brings me back to this chart. The technical of it is already showing some bullish momentum coming in. This is really huge. You can even see there is a spike in volume down here, and the stochastic is literally reaching the overbought level. Why I'm saying this is usually you buy. It's like the pre-anticipatory run. That's when the trades are made. Remember this term: buy the rumor, sell the news. The news, we already know the rumor is everything, and the rumor pretty much has been confirmed, is what I just talked about. So we know it's happening. But the news itself of what's going to be the outcome of that meeting, no one knows about it. Buy the rumor, sell the news. So there is a possibility. I'm not saying this is what's going to happen. I'm not Nostradamus. I can't predict the future. But all I'm saying is there's always a it's a pattern. These are things that usually happens, and patterns in stock, they always repeat themselves. And usually when there is something, these type of conditions, it's not just in BBIG, a lot of different other stocks. This type of conditions, when they're actually put together, there's always a reaction to the upward. Most of the time, it would react on that pre-anticipatory run for whatever is going to happen. And when the news happen, there's going to be a splashdown. But I'm not saying that's what exactly is going to happen, but it is a probability because it's something that we should look at. It's something that most of the time actually happen because it's a pattern that pretty much repeats always itself. All right, that's pretty much what I wanted to cover this one, and I'll be showing this. And I'm probably going, if we're going to go to the upward, I'm probably going to be looking about somewhere around $8 and some change to be, our resistance level if we were to go in an upward. But again, it's just going to depend if there's so much volume, and don't forget there is the short interest into it, and it could turn into a gamma squeeze. You never know what could happen, but I'm not saying that's going to happen. All I'm saying is there is a potential possibility for it to go up at least up to somewhere around $8 and something if there is really high volume. If there isn't, it's probably just going to continue going sideways, and by the time we're on the 14s and whatever is going to come out of that meeting, it's probably just going to go splash down. But remember, we are at this resistance level for quite a while, so anything could potentially happen. Just wanted to mention on that one. All right, let's move on. I want to go to ATER, which is this one I want to talk about here real quick. Look, guys, we've been here for quite a long time. My stochastic is showing that we're kind of curving back up. We're still down into the oversold area, so it literally is completely still oversold. We're still below my 50 degree, but my 50 simple moving average here. But it looks like this has been holding as a pretty strong support level, and it's starting to look like we might start revert. Not yet, it's not confirmed, but let's watch what's going to happen during market hours. There is a possibility that we could print a very bullish candle that's going to help us start doing the reversal process. So just keep an eye on that one. But I'm just showing that pretty resistance. There is some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, literally resistance at this level. So just watch it, every single candle. Now let's go out to AMC. This is a quick video and I just want to show you exactly. You see what I'm saying? It's the same thing. I just showed you one thing here, guys, about ATER. I don't know if you saw the similarities right here. See what's happening right here, and I'm gonna go back to AMC and show you exactly the same thing. You see that we're kind of doing it's the same, and you can see this has been acting as a super strong resistance right here, and we've been sideways for a very long time, almost more than 10 days, I would say, literally. But it started to look like we are changing the momentum, and AMC is a big deal. And this is, as long as they don't cover, as long as hedges don't cover, believe me, this game is still gonna go. And as long as everybody that's in it is still holding, so as long as no one on each side doesn't give up, AMC, this is basically what I just wanted to say about this. As long as on one side, retail investors like you and me, we don't give up on holding or do whatever. Again, this is not a financial advice, it's purely my opinion. As long as I don't give up in holding this thing, as long as both sides and hedges don't give up and still trying to hold their short position, this is gonna go for a very long time. It's just going to depend on who's gonna give up first. If the hedges do, we're going to the moon. But if we do, it is splashed down into the water. But I don't think that's gonna happen anytime soon because there is so much conviction into this. So I'm actually going to bet on hedges giving up real soon. So that's pretty much what I'm going to give you in this update, guys. In this video, just going to show you exactly what's going on, what's been going on in the market, and which are the deals that I've been watching. So thank you guys for coming into the live yesterday. It was really, really good. Please leave us in the comment below if you'd like to see more and more just like that. We're going to be doing a lot, of lives coming, in the next few days or weeks or something. We're just gonna pull up a really good schedule and try to go live with the stocks that we like go live with something like BBIG, ATER, AMC, whatever you like. So we're actually gonna trade and watch it while we're doing it, while the market is on, all at the same time. So Thank you again, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you get videos just like this one every single time we post them. As for me, guys, as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.